Did you say you got a shower? Ooh. So Tiki just got a shower. He just got one. Just got a shower. This time he liked it, but he didn't. This is the perch that I made for the shower myself. Instead of buying one for $50, I mean, why not just make it? Cost me, I don't know, $5-10. Some suction cups, some PVC, and I don't know. We need to help him out with his feathers. I think he's starting. He's 4 months old, so he's starting to get his. You know, I'm sure it's itching him. Little white feathers. So I figured I'd give him a little bath to, you know, help out. Since he's only 4 months old, I do it slow so he doesn't get bent out. I mean, I put him on and he did fly away a couple times, but I just use a spray bottle with lukewarm, and he knows when he sees it. Can you show him? There you go. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all I do. You're pretty name. You a wet birdie? Like a wet chicken. You're a green white chicken. Say hello. Ooh, oh yes. You're pretty. Yeah, you like your pants? Like a mohawk? Like a mohawk. So whatever way you guys do it first, give your parrot a bath. So he helps the feathers. You can see he's got his, you know, I'm sure he's I guess before they're under a year old, usually the molting is done, I don't know, I read a lot of places twice. Usually when they're a year old, you know, and then usually when they're between 4 and 6 months old. And he's at that point now, which I kind of figured, ooh, big shake. Which I kind of figured because he's losing his little white feathers he pulls out all the time. Yeah, good job. Good job. Good bird. Good bird. Mm. Mm. Usually, this is like the 5th or 6th time I've done it. You mohawk birdie. Good one. Is that how you feel after a shower? Is that how you feel after a bath? Is that gonna help your itchies? Look, at one side of your face. All wet. All wet. And the other side, we didn't get that one. It's okay though. I really just wanted to get him down here. He's been scratching at himself. Yeah, getting back here too. His feathers. Usually, good job. You did good. You did good. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. No? You're like, what are you doing now? Step up. You stare at the camera. Hey. Hello. But that's the simple way. Lukewarm. If you have trouble at first, just put them on a little perch. I know a lot of people buy these. Or you can make it like I did. He just use a spray bottle. Try it out that way on the mist. That's what I can show him so he knows. Just trying to get him used to it, you know, since it's not an issue, but sometimes I do want to get one of those bowls or one of them, you know, little pools or bowls that he can go into. Because usually his bowl that he drinks water out of, when I refill it in the morning, he usually wants to dive his head in that, but he doesn't really get wet, to be honest with you, so that's why. I just made the little perch and put him in here. And he gets a quick bath. Sometimes I do it outside. It's got an outside cage, but I don't want to do it outside. It's way too humid out today. I just, you know. You may feel, oh, you getting nappy now? It's about his nap time. Usually the morning he's go, go, go. Then about this time, this is when he's usually, all right, Dad, I'm ready for a nappy. Nappy time. And then by, you know, dinner time, that's his second win of energy. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick thing. Quick video for the YouTube of how I give him a shower. Anybody has any questions or anything? Any issues? How you do it with your baby bird or anything? You can leave a comment. Send me an email. I will get back very quickly. I'll let you know. Help you out. Help anyone out. Say bye. Say bye. And then I usually put them a few steps. Step up. Step up. Good boy. We're gonna go out there and the other thing. You just shake off again. Oh, nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, look at you. You're not mad at me, are you? You see his little feathers coming. That's Rick Reed's nose. No, you can't show my phone. Oh, happy bird now, huh? Yeah. You wanna go back over there? Yeah, I'll help you out. Help you out. Yeah, here, step up. Step up. Step up. Good job. Go back out there. All right. Tell people thanks for hanging out. Giving a quick video of it. Big shake. Ooh, good job.